National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for area including Santa Rosa Sound, Perdido Bay area until 12:45 a.m. Central Time. At 11:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Arnica Bay or near Perdido Pass, moving north at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts at 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations of tested include Arnica Bay, Lillian Bridge, Pensacola Bay, Perdido Bay, Escambia Bay Bridge, East Bay, Escambia Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge and Garcon Point Bridge. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight and Monday for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay area and Pensacola Bay area including Santa Rosa Sound. This is a special weather